So again, it's the third one. Quite dark. Quite dark, you won't see it, but got a greenfinch up there. Sorry for the picture, but put the canary wattles with it, the green hen, with this as well. The canary's been singing to the greenfinch, so get some greenfinch canary mules. There it is. So I'll just open these, see if I can get, yeah, much brighter now. Yeah, that's the canary. I'm gonna put it with that greenfinch. He's been singing to her. She doesn't know what she's doing. I think she's just waiting for it to get much better. But there's a nest. She's done it, but she's just waiting for the nest. Put this one now. Yeah, you go. Now we're all just switching places, so it's confusing. God. I'll sort them out after anyway. Got a canary hen there. Cobalt. Zebra finch. Eggs are there. That's on this material. No scale. I'll go around after. Don't show me the one that we had last year. She's sitting on eggs now. Got a nest there. Put this up today. Real weapon. So my dad made some nesting gaps for him. Got the quail still. Hopefully get some hen's nest in there. Mule. It's been a short one, but I don't know what the zebra finches are doing either, because they're going there and then they go back out. Oh, I should have got it this today. It's been quite sunny, but you know. I'll just close you with that one. It's your choice.